Alright, y'all. So I have some great news to share with the channel. Um, so I want to talk about that in today's video, and then I guess we can add a little bit of stock market talk and retention. Now, I know I told y'all the other day that I had applied for the USPS, and I told y'all that you have to go through an application process and take a test and whatever the case may be. So yesterday, as I was checking my email, I got a offer letter to accept the job as a CCA, and of course I accepted it. Now, there is a lot that you have to go through before you even start the job, and you have to take what they call a LLV test, which is a long-lasting vehicle test, which is where you drive the truck. You also have to get your fingerprints done. You have to go through orientation. You have to have a shadow day, which is when somebody's basically training you and you have to watch what they're doing. So there's a lot that I have to go through regardless. And I'm honestly happy that I even got offered the job. I'm just also seeing other people's viewpoints on working for, working for the post office. And it feels good to go from doing Uber Eats to being able to have the opportunity to work for the post office. Now, I'm sharing this with y'all because when I first got the news, I was hyped. I'm like, let's go. You know what I'm saying? And I get it. Some people say it's not the easiest job in the world. There's a lot that you have to learn as far as casing the mail, learning the area that you're gonna be in, etc. And I'm telling myself and I'm reminding myself, I'm gonna honestly do both. As long as I pass the driver's test, which I'm pretty sure I will, and I start, I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do working for the post office and Uber. Because like I told y'all, right, in one of the videos, that they condition you to get paid every 2 weeks. And I'm honestly used to getting paid every day doing Uber. So I'm gonna have to adapt to the pay structure at the post office, and then still make time for Uber to make sure that I'm keeping up with everything that I have to keep up with. So yes, I'm gonna do both. And then of course I'm gonna keep on with my YouTube journey, because this is what I do. I love YouTube. So I definitely had to share that with y'all, because that is some great news, It's a city job, it's a federal job. And you also have to go through a 90-day period. So that's a probational period. So I'm just just preparing myself. Yeah, so once I pass the different stages that I have to pass, I definitely will let the channel know. But yeah, it's like I'm happy. I'm just trying to mentally and physically prepare myself, if that makes sense. Now, as far as the stock market did good this week. Friday the portfolio did alright. Had its little ups and downs, but regardless of the fact, the portfolio did good on the week. And the upcoming days, like, because nobody can tell the future when it comes down to the stock market, the upcoming days I'm definitely gonna start investing heavier, you know what I'm saying, and just staying the course with that, because like I tell you all the time, that is the journey to financial freedom. All right. And as far as retention, of course my retention journey has been going good. I'm not even gonna front to y'all, bro. Like the energy you really have to learn how to control, you know. It's not no like, for those out there that may be on this journey and you're new to the journey and you may slip up or whatever, you can't like beat yourself up. You cannot, like, you can't think it's the end of the world, because at the end of the day, like, you're learning yourself, you're learning your vessel, you're learning how to handle energy and how to transmute it into other areas, you know. So this journey definitely has been helping me out a lot. I've been continuously learning like self-control. I've been learning how to manage my emotions better. I do a lot of working out, so like the workouts definitely feel 10 times better. I do a lot of talking to God. I constantly ask God to like guide me and protect me and help me become my best version. And of course I see the world like differently. I see the world for what it is, you know. They constantly want to keep people like, it's not even it's people themselves, like, just want to stay in a lower nature, right? Their lower vibrational state, which is constantly watching PMO, constantly like releasing every day. Men tell themselves they can't do this, they can't get on retention, whatever, but I feel like that is an excuse for you to continuously feel how you feel. Unless you're going to procreate, unless you're going to bring another version of you into this human experience, this is more so a journey for your spiritual growth and for you to learn how to control yourself, you know? Because watching those videos keep you in a weak state of mind, and it keeps you in a vibrational state where you just used to it. Like, you just used to feeling like at a low vibration. But learning how to master the energy and learning how to master yourself, that comes with a lot of responsibility. And you have full responsibility for yourself, you know? Nobody is going to care about, you know, your energy. Nobody's going to care about your vibration and frequency more than you do. You feel me? So, but outside of that though, bro, like, it's just a lot that I've been thinking about. Everybody has like their good viewpoints on like working the job, being it's a city carrier assistant, so it's called a CCA. So a lot of people have their own viewpoint on it. I've heard mixed reviews. I've seen people say good things and I've seen people say negative things. But at the end of the day, the only way that I'm really gonna know is based off my own personal experience, and that's just that, you know. But like I said, I am gonna play it smart. I am gonna continue to keep my job doing Uber as well, because I need that source of income, you know, and continue to post on YouTube so that I'm generating more. You know what I'm saying? But I definitely wanted to share this with y'all. I hope y'all are like happy for me. You feel me? I'm not just I don't work there yet. I gotta go through different things. The number one thing is, like I said, the driver's test. Excuse me, which they teach you how to drive the big truck. You got to make sure you do good the parallel parking. They teach you how to like, they call it like curbside, whatever. When you drive the truck, you got to make sure like you're near the mailbox so that you put the mail in the mailbox. You know, things like that. So it's just a lot that I've been like, all right, T, we got to get this done. You got to, you know, learn this. You got to learn that. And just adapt, you know. It's going to be long hours. I'm already used to that, though. I already be doing Uber Eats for like 8 hours, 10 hours. Outside of my scooter, I be walking too, so I'm already used to that as well. My body is in shape. I just gotta make sure like I bring food with me, and that's it, you know. So I got food. But like I said, I just wanted to share that news with y'all. I hope y'all proud of me. I'm proud of myself. Shout out to everybody out there. SR community, NoFap community, anybody that's new to the channel, returning supporters. Thank y'all. Support y'all. I do support y'all, but I appreciate y'all. You feel me? Thank y'all for supporting me and rocking out with me. And thank you, God, for this opportunity, you know? Word. So, I just wanted to make this video for the channel. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Y'all some real ones, real talk. We on our way to 6,000 supporters on the YouTube channel, so if you want to subscribe to help the channel grow, you can. Give this video a thumbs up so that we get on the algorithm. Leave your comments below. And I'll be back at it with some more content for y'all. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.